Wake up every single morning and be grateful for every single day. Say thank you to God for a new day. Be grateful that you have a chance to wake up with the sound of alarm, even if it's early in the morning. Some people wake up by sound of the bombing and sirens. And sometimes you don't even have a chance to sleep. Be grateful for every single moment that you spend with your family, because next minute can change every single thing. You can lose your dad, you can lose your son, you can lose your family. Be grateful that you have your own family and you have your own house, you have your own place to stay. You have food and you have everything that you need. Because in 5 minutes, your life can change. And if you think that you live in the safest country in the world and that will never happen to you, what happened to Ukrainian people, what happened to me, just think one more time. You never know. Ukrainian people didn't think that it will happen to them. They had their own dreams. They had plans. On 23rd of February, I went to bed and I was planning my next day. And everybody did the same. But when we woke up next day, we woke up by sounds of bombing, and our life changed. But I'm grateful to God that I'm alive, and I have a chance, and God gave me a chance to help others. And I will do it till the rest of my life. Because you cannot stay still, you cannot enjoy your life when you know that somebody is needing a place to stay, when somebody is needing food, when somebody is grieving. And there are so many kids in Ukraine. They lost their parents. They buried with their own hands their mothers. And if you think that it will never happen again, it will never happen to you, just think one more time. And I just want you to think that your life is precious. And your actions, they mean a lot. Every time, every single day, you make a decision what you're gonna do. Either you're gonna enjoy your life and do nothing, just enjoy your life, or you will take a chance to help somebody. If you help somebody in need, God will give you 10 times more. And you can understand the other person who is grieving, who lost their loved ones, who lost the house, who lost everything that he had. You can understand that, the pain, only if you went through that. But now, you have a chance to enjoy your life, to cherish your life, cherish every single moment with your loved ones. Enjoy everything that you have, your house, your job, the chance to just walk outside and have a peaceful town, place, city. And take your time to think what you can do for somebody who is in need now. Your actions will change your life. And God will always provide you with everything that you need. If you open your heart and if you want to change something, somebody's life, you can do that. And God will show you the way. Don't forget that it can always happen to you or your family. And you never know when your life will change in 5 minutes. You never know when you have to pack all your life in 5 minutes. Just be grateful for every single moment of your life and don't take it for granted. God bless you.